Hi and welcome back, guys. Hope you all are having a great day out there. We have some big XRP news to share with you here today. Also, want to talk to you about what's happening in the market and an announcement at the end. All I ask is if you do like talking about Ripple and XRP, type in X in the comment section, click that like button. Let's send this over 1,000 likes. And if you are new to the channel and you do like talking about crypto, click that subscribe button as well. A lot to put out in this quick video. Of course, we got major news to talk about that came out here today for XRP. But first, getting into what's happening in the market, we do have a little bit of a pullback here right now at the time of this recording. Of course, this is a very volatile market and many ups, many downs, and this is not a big pullback, but we did have inflation numbers coming in, the numbers they give us, a little bit higher than expected here today. And so market doing a little bit of a pullback, and no one really expects Jerome Powell to cut rates anytime soon. However, guys, it has been confirmed here today, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent actually confirmed that they are now in the process of replacing Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. And so will this get done? Time will tell. But it is very clear, you know, we had reports last week that he was looking at potentially resigning. Time will tell, but the writing is on the wall for Jerome Powell. I think it's very clear to him at this point in time that he isn't wanted, and as they feel in the administration, he isn't needed. Now, here today, guys, we've got ProShares XRP Future ETF approved, SEC approved. Let's go. Guys, on the New York Stock Exchange. And what does this tell us? This tells us it's essentially 100% guaranteed that those spot XRP ETFs that will be holding XRP will get approved as well. And so no, this isn't a spot and it will not be holding XRP, but this is massive in the sense that this pretty much guarantees that those spot XRP ETFs, the several we have filed by big institutions, will in fact get approved this year, I believe. Now also the ROI, which is return on investment, for XRP right now, which is somewhere around 450%, absolutely dominating Bitcoin right now, is bringing in not just a lot of new retail investors and institutions looking at XRP as well, but it's making it very painfully obvious to most that if you want to see big gains in this market, you're not going to go after Bitcoin, right? I've said many times, I don't think Bitcoin is going to zero, but it will not forever stay number one. And so if I was a Bitcoiner, a Bitcoin maxi, yes, as they are, I would be very, very scared of XRP because